So here's how to add ChatGPT in WhatsApp on iPhone. First of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. So once you're here, you will get to see all your chats available on this page. Tap and open any inbox or chat that you want. For example, I will select this one. So once you're here, you will need to send a number as a message to this chat. To get the number, I'll go over to my Notes app because that's where it's saved. So as you can see, I have the ChatGPT number over here. I'll just tap and hold it and then select copy. You can just pause the video and type it in from here. After that, let's head over to the WhatsApp chat that we opened. Now, we will paste the number right here in the text box. After that, let's tap on Submit. So once it's delivered, you need to tap on the number. And as you can see, WhatsApp is now checking the number. After that, from the options that appear, select Chat with the number. And as you can see, we are now in the ChatGPT inbox on WhatsApp. And that is exactly how to add ChatGPT in WhatsApp on iPhone.